Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have studied about what are operations on sets. I hope you have done. Now next we will do difference of sets. The difference of sets A and B in this order is a set of elements which belongs to A but not belongs to B. Symbolically, we write A minus B and read as A minus B. It means, taking example, let A is equal to having elements 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. B is having elements 9, 11, 12 and 13. You want to calculate A minus B. Delete all the elements from A which belongs to B. Those are the elements 9 and 11. Now what are left? 7, 8 and 10. So this is the A minus B set. If you want to calculate B minus A, then delete the element of A from B. What are those elements? 9 and 11 are the elements which are in A. Delete these elements from B. What you will get? 12 and 13. It means this is B minus A. In general, when you discuss number system, when you subtract rational number from real number, you will getting irrational number, because rational number is a set having rational and irrational both. If you subtract rational number from real numbers, you are getting irrational number. This is an example also for the difference of two sets. The next is the concept complement of a set. Complement of a set can be calculated when universal set is given to you. Otherwise, it's not possible to get complement of a set. So let U be the universal set and A a subset of universal set. Then the complement of A is the set of all elements of universal set which are not the element of A. It means other than A, number of elements which are lying in universal set are the complement set elements. And symbol for complement is A dash or A to the power C. C means complement. In set builder form, this statement can be written as like this: A complement is equal to set of all those elements such that X belongs to universal set but X does not belongs to set A. Or you can say universal set minus A, difference of universal minus given set A. For example, let universal set is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. And A is a set having elements 4, 5, 6. Now you have to calculate A complement. It means you have to calculate universal minus set A elements. It means subtract elements of A from universal set. Left elements should write down here 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 5, 6 are deleted from universal set. Left elements are the elements of the set A complement. Now take another example. Suppose a universal set is having elements 1 to 6. A is having elements 2 and 3. B is having elements 3, 4 and 5. Now what is A complement? Go to the universal set. Delete the elements of A from universal set. 2, 3 are deleted. What are left elements? 1, 4, 5 and 6. B complement. Here are elements of B 3, 4, 5. Delete these 3, 4, 5, 3 elements from the universal set. You will get 1, 2, 6. This is the B complement. Now if you want to calculate, if you want to apply operation on complement sets, then you can apply. This is a way to apply. A complement intersection B complement. What is the meaning of intersection? Common elements of these two sets. What are the elements which are common? 1 and 6 is lying in A complement. B complement also having 1 and 6. It means what? A 1, 6 are the elements which are common in A complement and B complement. It means A complement intersection B complement is equal to 1 comma 6. If you want to calculate A complement union B complement, you want to apply operation on A complement and B complement. Union operation you are applying. It means you have to collect elements of A complement and B complement. Compile these elements, you will get 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6. 6 is a repeated element, write one set. This is a set A complement union B complement. Now next, properties of complement sets. As we have studied properties on union, properties on intersection, similarly have two properties of complement sets. Name of the first property is complement law. When you do the union of A and A complement, A set and complement of A set, you will get the universal set, because complement A complement is having elements which are not in A. It means when you unite these two sets, you will get the universal set. An intersection of A and A complement is empty set. Nothing will be common in these two sets. Next is the property which is known as De Morgan's law. This is very important law. Verification of this law came so many times in an exam. A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. And second part of this is A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Look here. When you are using in left hand side operation, this is a union. Then right hand side it is intersection. If you are taking intersection sign in left, you are getting union sign in the right hand side. Remember it. The third one is the law of double complementation. If you calculate complement of a complement set, then you are getting set A again. Complement set, whole complement, you are getting set A. Laws of empty set and universal set. Complement of empty set is universal set, and universal set complement is equal to empty set. Now verify above properties by taking examples of sets. Now verify all these properties by using any of example of sets. Now here I am just showing you second verification, De Morgan's law verification. Yes, first part of De Morgan's law is A union whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Now verification of this. Take any set A is equal to having elements 2, 4, 6, 8, and B is a set having elements 2, 3, 5, 7, and universal set having element 1 to 9 elements. Now, before we calculate complement, you have to take union of A and B. Compile the elements of A and B, combine these sets elements. We are getting 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, complement of this set means go to the universal set. Delete all your A union B elements from the universal set. What is left here? Only 1. For the right hand side, first of all you have to calculate A complement, then B complement, and then intersection of A complement and B complement. A complement is what? 2, 4, 6, 8 elements deleted from universal set. You will get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Similarly, B complement you can calculate. Intersection of these means common part of the sets. It means common elements are only, there is one element which is common, 1. Left and right both sides are equal. This is a verification of the first part of the property, De Morgan's law. Next, second is properties A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. In left hand side, you have to calculate first intersection of two sets. It means you have to take the common from these two sets. What are the elements which are common? There is only one element which is common, that is 2. A intersection B is equal to 2. Now take the complement of this set means delete 2 from the universal set. What is left here? 1, 3 and 3 to 9. All elements. In right hand side, you have to calculate A complement, then B complement, and then combine the elements of A complement and B complement, because operation is union operation here. So A complement and B complement both are calculated here. Then you have to combine them. You will get 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now left and right, both sides are equal. Now this is the verification of De Morgan's law. Do exercise 1.5. Thank you. Have a nice day.